Hey, it's T. Are you sick and tired of having cold cut sandwiches, hot dogs, or burgers on your campouts? Well, I'm here to show you that you can do something more elevated. Tonight on our menu, we're going to be having filet mignon, sauteed zucchini, and some dinner rolls. So if you're ready, let's get started. I'll be getting started with slicing these, and then I'll move on to getting the meat seasoned and ready. I don't know where my cutting board is, at least the sturdy one, so I'm going to be using this flexible one right here. And the paper plate. In full disclosure, we still love burgers. Here are a couple of pictures of what we had on the first night. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the butter is nicely melted. So I'm just sauteing the zucchini with a couple of different seasonings and some butter. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit low on this. So I'm going to add the same garlic pepper seasoning to the steak. And I'm going to add some of this cilantro lime seasoning as well. These two fillets will go a pretty long way for 3 people because they're really thick. By the way, if you've ever wondered where I get all of this meat that I use in my videos, we purchase a half a cow every year, so we're able to eat ground beef or filet mignon for the same price per pound. I'll link my most recent video in the description below if you're interested in how we do that. So we're going to go ahead and turn the vegetables over a little bit so you can sear them on both sides. That's a nice sear on the steak here. I'll turn down the fire on this one and this one as well. I'll be serving dinner with these rolls. All right, so let's go ahead and start plating up our dinner. And some dinner rolls. All right, so we are all done. We have some filet mignon, some zucchini, and some dinner rolls. I hope that this meal inspired you to go beyond cold cut sandwiches, beans and franks, and burgers for your camping meals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see this kind of content in the future but are not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button, and when you do, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future uploads. Until the next time, stay blessed.